If you have a tiger sa chart mo, no, there's going to be a lot of movement sa physical environment mo, sa relationship mo, even sa career. But of course, lahat ito kailangan ng full clarity and awareness. At ito ang mga auxiliary stars na meron ang tiger. First auxiliary star is the heavenly horse. So for the heavenly horse, ano ibig sabihin nito? Movement, travel, no? Marami tayong mga chances to travel. Sa matter of fact, makapwede tayo mag-relocate, mag-change ng job, mag-relocate ng opisina o kaya ng iyong bahay or even, no, mag-relocate sa ibang bansa para mag-aral. And of course, sinabi ko yung pag-aaral, 'di ba? Meron tayong study hall. So study hall is all about studying, improving your skill set, developing your skill set so that your personal work increases, no, in terms of your career. Next naman is Sky Warrior. This actually is a good start that despite any challenges, problems that actually comes your way, hindi ka basta-basta mag-give up. You have the resilience to go through, no, mga challenges. And of course, you'll be able to maneuver and go beyond these challenges at ma-achieve ang mga goals mo. And of course, bago tayo mag-receive, no, please join my Telegram channel. Ayan, ang mga QR code na pwede niyo pong i-scan. And at the same time po, meron tayong newsletter, no, na binibigay ko in addition sa free information na I give sa aking Telegram. Meron din ako mga new weekly newsletter para mas magkaroon kayo ng increased knowledge sa Chinese metaphysics. And of course, ito ay free. Oh, parang nabulol ako nun. But anyways, Chinese metaphysics. But of course, all of this is free. Ayan, please join and I actually hope to see you there. Okay, so the next auxiliary star that we are now going to talk about is White Tiger. So ang White Tiger naman is all about legal entanglement, accident, injuries, no? Mas lalo po ito nati-trigger kung tayo ay very negligent sa mga actions natin, sa mga galaw natin, at kung saan tayo pumupunta, no? Of course, ibig sabihin po nito, be careful. Pag mag-drive tayo, defensive driving, no? Huwag po tayo basta gagawa ng mga actions na walang risk management, no? So, yun po ang tandaan natin. Next naman is Furcha. Ibig sabihin nito, instability from your environment, no? This can stem from mga balita, ayan, o kaya ng mga experiences ng mga kakilala mo na parang it could make you feel like unstable o kaya naman feel anxious, no? So, yun siya. So, ano pwedeng gawin? Kung ikaw po ay na very, ano na, no, naapektuhan sa mga balita nangyayari around you, ka na muna manood ng balita. Iwasan mo na muna, no? Kung may mga drama, yung mga friends and family mo, munang samahan. Focus on yourself, focus on what you can do, focus on your studies. Mas better yon para magkaroon tayo ng center, no? And at the same time, you stay grounded sa mga gusto mong i-achieve within 2026. Next, no, meron tayong great shot at flying chase. So, pagsasabay ko na, great shot is all about disruptions or changes na pwedeng mangyari, no? This could be scary. But of course, wala naman talagang buhay na walang problema, no? Walang disruption. All you have to do is make sure meron kayong mga proper plans in place para in case na hindi mag-work out, meron kayong mga aligned plans that's available. Next naman is flying chase. Ito naman ay pakiramdam mo restless na. Hindi ko mapakali, no? Kaya parang ang daming mong iniisip. So, wag mo nang damihan ng mga iniisip mo. Kaya nga, i-focus on the things that you actually want to do, which is to study, improve your skill sets, o kaya yung mga hobbies mo na nasimulan mo na. Ayan, next naman is backpoking. So, ano ibig sabihin ng backpoking? Yung pinagtitipulsan ka, pinag-usapan ka, kung ano mga mali mo, may mga ginawa mo, past, present, future. It doesn't matter. They're just talking about you. So, when people are talking about you, always remember itong statement na daw, where focus goes, energy flows. So, meaning, the more they pay attention to you, they're allowing the universe to give you more force, more energy, more blessing. Because nga, nakafocus sa'yo yung mga tao. Isipin mo na lang that the fact that they're actually giving you attention, there is something about you that is worth talking about and consider that as a good sign. Next naman is red chamber. Ano yung maibig sabihin nito? Red chamber is third-party interference. Pero kung ikaw ay single at ready to mingle, then this is actually a good year to look for new relationships. Case in point na maraming movement ang 2026. So kung ikaw ay ready to mingle na, this is a good year to actually start, no? Swipe sa mga apps, ayan, go. Maging active ka in going out. So basically, for the tiger, this is all about movement, change. This could also relate to love, new career, new studies, and so on. And because of this, you end up becoming more bold than usual. But of course, manage po natin kung saan tayo nagfo-focus ng ating attention, where we think, no? Huwag po natin i-overthink ang mga things that's out of your control. Hindi mo na nga magawa ng paraan. So, bakit mo pa pag-iisipan ng maraming beses? Tayo ng panahon. Focus on your studies, focus on your growth, and focus on the movement that could change your life for the better. Ayan. So, if you enjoyed this video, abangan po natin ang aking rabbit video in the next posting. Thank you. Bye.